And the winner is Patrick Bertoletti. 58, Nathan Famous, hot dogs and bun.
My name is Pat Deep Dish Bertoletti, and this is a long-awaited return to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making an Italian double down sandwich. Double down is the KFC sandwich with fried chicken as bread, so we're going to do the same thing, just flavor it more Italian. So I have chicken cutlets I have breaded out here. We're going to just fry in some olive oil. Probably like 3 or 4 minutes aside. Then we're going to rest it and fill it with burrata filling, which has some pistachios, basil. We're going to put a little bit pistachio pesto on it, and then a arugula salad on top. I never made this before, so hopefully it comes out good. Smells good. All right, got it flipped. Now we're just gonna baste the top to help brown the top. Try not to splash on your leg like I just did. Put it on this rack. Give it a little salt, 6 the oil. Right around 400. Hey, don't zoom in on my belly, okay?
No.
No. This is all going around like medium-high heat. Should feel pretty firm when it's cooked all the way. Let's fill these up. Gonna put some of the filling on there. It's creamy. Let's do it on top. We're gonna throw this in the oven. Okay, good. There's no pans in there. Just a nice warm. Let's see. All right. Some greens. The thought is to kind of roll it in like that to make it look like a cookie sandwich. Let's see. All right. Just try not to burn.